So how did you say it, Lenny? Now that's a Cadillac?
That is a Cadillac.
What do you think?
Absolutely.
Well, again, thanks, Lenny, coming up and
pleasure.
helping us launch this car is pretty special. And I really can't wait until we see what you do with your car.
I will see you in Paris when we unveil it.
Great.
Absolutely. Thanks, man. Thank you all.
So
Oh, yes. Yes.
with that, I'd like to introduce Mary Barra, Chair and CEO of
Yeah.
General Motors.
Such a pleasure.
So much.
And just, can I, at a personal note, I want to thank you, Mary, because you were instrumental in keeping us focused on this car and bringing it to life. So thank you very much.
Oh, thank you, Michael. You guys have done such an amazing work. Amazing work. Thank you. Thank you. Well, I really want to thank Michael and Lenny. And I have been privileged to be part of dozens of vehicle reveals throughout my career. But today is especially personal. Like Lenny and his grandfather, Cadillac has touched so many of our lives. When it comes to innovating and implementing the most state-of-the-art vehicle technologies, Cadillac has always led the way. And now Cadillac is seizing one of the most exciting opportunities in its 120-year history by leading our company into our all-electric future. 4 years ago, we made a very ambitious commitment to return Cadillac to greatness. We wanted to do this through groundbreaking design and technology that would set it apart from all other luxury brands. In the automotive world, 4 years is not a lot of time, especially when you throw a pandemic into the mix. Yet I think you'll see the results speak for themselves. I believe that you'll agree nothing better illustrates the breakthrough transformation of Cadillac than the Celestiq. Cadillac's new flagship EV blends an unparalleled refinement, advanced technology, and ultra-luxury design. It has been embedded and been from Cadillac's very rich history. No vehicle says, "I've arrived," more than a Cadillac. It is ingrained in our pop culture and synonymous with the best. From Escalade to the first all-electric vehicles, starting with the Lyriq and now the Celestiq, Cadillac is bringing new levels of bold, cutting-edge innovation and sophistication to our customers. Celestiq will be handcrafted at our global tech center that is near Detroit, and every detail will be individually tailored to the client. Celestiq proves what Cadillac's immensely talented design and engineering teams can achieve when the mission is clear: to make Cadillac the standard of the world again. Celestiq does this and so much more. It truly represents the pinnacle of luxury. In fact, it's the Cadillac of Cadillacs. With Celestiq, the team honored Cadillac's storied history, but not by looking in the rearview mirror, but by creating an entirely new experience that is going to lead every Cadillac that follows into a very successful future. To arrive at this moment in time, we empowered the team to operate differently, design differently, engineer differently, and go to market differently. And I've had the privilege of carefully watching this transformation from the very beginning. And as I said, it's deeply personal to me, to our team, and it will be to everyone who loves Cadillac. I could not be more proud of the team that has accomplished all of this. And now I'm pleased to introduce Mark Royce, who is a committed and passionate champion of Cadillac. And Mark, along with Michael, were instrumental in leading this transformation and making this car a reality. Mark's going to share his perspectives on the Celestiq and what it means to the resurgence of Cadillac, what it means to our customers, to the GM team, and to our entire future. So, Mark.
Mary, thank you. Well, hello, everyone, and thanks for joining us here this evening for this event. I can't tell you how excited I am to be here, but I'm going to try anyway, so give me a chance. For all of us involved with this program and this brand, it's like a dream come true to finally unveil the Celestiq. A true flagship for the brand is what Cadillac has needed for a long time, and I cannot conceive of a better one than this vehicle right here. It's a true American icon, handcrafted, as you've heard, each one tailored to its individual client. It really means a lot to us and to me to show it to you tonight. I've been with the company literally all my life. I grew up in a General Motors household, and my father worked for the company, also holding the office of president. And he would bring me to work with him when I was a kid, and every time it was like a field trip. And all the new cars and test cars he would bring home, I'd just be as wide-eyed as I am tonight every time he pulled one into the driveway. I've probably driven almost every GM vehicle that's developed over the past 4 decades or longer if you count the ones I drove before I got my driver's license. But I've never driven anything like the Celestiq before, and neither has anybody else, except for the drivers on this development team. It's truly one of a kind, and it always will be, because there's only one car that's ever going to be the first all-electric flagship vehicle leading the most storied brand in automotive history squarely into a very exciting future. As Rory and Mary indicated, this is what Cadillac is all about. It's a brand that's growing and hurtling headlong into an all-electric future. The pump is already primed with the incredible Lyriq, and many more EVs to come that will carry the Cadillac badge. And Celestiq will ride atop them all, embodying the ideals of the brand, offering no compromises, giving no quarter, taking no prisoners. Now, you've heard about the design details from Michael and Lenny. I just want to add this: the vehicle is also a technological tour de force. To create this unique, expressive flagship, the Celestiq engineering team rethought the fundamental building blocks of an automobile, resulting in the most technically advanced Cadillac ever. They were given an opportunity to not only accommodate its all-electric propulsion system, but also provide a platform for the ultimate expression of ultra-luxury and unmatched client customization. That required an all-new vehicle architecture dedicated to Celestiq. It's based on our Ultium platform, which integrates the system's battery pack and serves as a structural element of the vehicle, contributing to its overall strength, durability, and performance. Ultium allows us to hit all the numbers: an estimated 600 horsepower, 640 foot-pounds of torque, 300 miles of range, and it also allows us to equip Celestiq with unbelievable technology as well. Let me just hit 3 of the highlights I'm talking about here. An industry-first fixed smart glass roof that uses 4-zone suspended particle device technology, allowing each passenger to customize the amount of light entering the cabin over the roof. You can see it in the gallery outside here if you're interested in looking what that is. It's really an industry first. Impressive lighting choreography that welcomes the driver upon approach. You saw a little bit of that here when the car drove out, but let me tell you, the light show is spectacular when you drive up to it. On the inside, the centerpiece of the infotainment experience is a pillar-to-pillar 55-inch HD display, the largest in the segment.